Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about one of our firm's 5 core principles that is so significant in everything we do each and every day, and that's the principle of setting a new standard. A lot of times, people say, well, I'm just going to get an attorney. I'm going to get a criminal lawyer, right? We're going to get him or her some help. But they really don't differentiate that there are good criminal law attorneys, there are bad criminal law attorneys, there are so-so criminal law attorneys, there are attorneys and law firms deserving of your hard-earned money, and there are others, quite frankly, that are not, because either they don't have the skill set, don't have the hustle, don't have the heart, or don't have the desire to represent you or your loved one the right way. And in our firm and each and everything we do, there's a lot of talk about making sure that we are always setting a new standard. We're setting a new standard for what's expected when a client contacts our firm. We're setting a new standard what's expected when we show up at court, how we look, how we act, how we dress, how we continue to differentiate ourselves from the masses, how we continue to differentiate ourselves not just from the bad criminal lawyers, not just from the so-so criminal lawyers, how we continue to evolve and hopefully continue to differentiate ourselves from the really good criminal defense lawyers and the really good criminal defense law firms. Because how we do anything is how we do everything at the firm, and that's not just a saying. Okay, there are multiple signs throughout the office that talks about excellence is not just an act, it's a habit. And that's something that's really, really important. But the first step is to set those new standards. And we do that internally at our firm. We do that externally with the representation of our clients. And that benefits our clients each and every day because they know that they are being represented by a firm that is hungry to improve, that is hungry to differentiate itself from the masses, that is hungry to continue to maintain their reputation of setting new standards when it comes to criminal defense representation, when it comes to setting new standards of how a criminal defense law firm or why a criminal defense law firm is as involved in the San Diego community as we are, far beyond the impact that we have as lawyers, the impact that we've been able to bring to the San Diego community through our charity work, through our fundraising, through our connections, really has gone above and beyond anything we could certainly do, anyone can do in a courtroom. And that's all part of that setting new standards, and that's why that's one of our 5 core principles at the firm. So if you find yourself charged with a criminal case, you or a loved one in San Diego, we are just one phone call away at 619-295-3555. Again, my name is David Shapiro. I'm a San Diego criminal lawyer.